Where's Peter? Rocket, where is he? Rocket. Rocket, look at me, where is he? No, I'm not leaving without him.
I'm sorry. I can only afford to lose one friend today.
Franklin, go!
Wait! Let's go back. Rocket! Where's Squirrel? Rocket! Where's Squirrel?